Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall Skilla.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and every one. And watch us now, viewers and subscribers. Now, the Jamaica Defence Force headquarters, that is known as Up Park Camp, that is of Kingston, Jamaica, right? It is said that the JDF headquarters was on lockdown on the 15th of February 2020 due to an issue where it is said that 2 M16 rifles are missing. Yeah, according to reports, 2 high-powered weapons are missing. And because of these 2 guns that are missing, everyone that is at the Up Park camp had been searched. Yeah, whether you're a visitor or you're a member of the Jamaica Defence Force or not, everyone was subjected to this search, and it is said that somewhat of a restriction had been put in place throughout the whole Up Park camp, you see me? Now, all of this what me are telling of viewers and subscribers is something that I read in reports that is out there about this whole issue. You see what I'm saying to you? Alright, listen now. Now, viewers and subscribers, I went on to read this report, and it says that the Jamaica Defence Force reviewed their weapons protocol due to an incident where it is said that a member of the Jamaica Defence Force had removed a weapon from off campus, right? And it is said that this member was a member from the part of the whole part that is known as Armory within the Jamaica Defence Force, right? So this person was working at the section of the Jamaica Defence Force camp at the part that is known as Armory, and this person had removed a weapon, and that same weapon was later on used to kill the member of the Jamaica Defence Force girlfriend and kill himself, which is the member of the Jamaica Defence Force. You get what I'm saying to you? So when me read these things, viewers and subscribers, I'm looking at it and I'm saying to myself, okay, so you know, these things make them start to draw up in themselves and say, look, we have to start lock down tight up on the weapon them and watch the weapon them keenly, because if someone from half of the camp remove a weapon and do damage like this, then you know, yeah, obviously it's going to you know, put persons on the alert, and it's going to raise some concerns. That's what I'm saying to you. Yeah, so viewers and subscribers, you know, I'm just telling you based on reports that is out there, and that there might be more information about this whole issue right about now, isn't it? And one more thing, viewers and subscribers, according to reports, it is said that up until February 16th, 2020, the 2 weapons had not been found. All right, yeah, so like I said, if there's more update, you know, I will keep you up to date and posted, you know, if possible. All right, yeah, and this is where I leave it, viewers and subscribers. You don't know me, Dancehall Skilla, on the day, so to keep you up to date and posted and make you know what I want. So until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself, you see.